Welcome back to Motor Flux AI. Today we're exploring a motorhome that goes far beyond travel and comfort. This is the 2026 Toyota MANSORY Motorhome, where luxury, power, and futuristic design come together to create a true masterpiece on wheels from the front. This motorhome immediately demands attention. The aggressive MANSORY styling, bold grille design, and futuristic LED headlights give it a powerful and confident road presence. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of elite engineering and luxury. Side profile highlights its wide-body stance and perfectly sculpted aerodynamic lines. Large premium alloy wheels and clean proportions make this motorhome look strong, stable, and ready for long-distance touring. Every detail is designed to balance elegance with performance. At the rear, the design remains sleek and sophisticated. Seamless LED taillights and integrated storage solutions maintain a clean, premium look without sacrificing functionality. It's luxury with purpose, built for serious travel. Step inside the cockpit, and it feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. A fully digital instrument cluster, large infotainment display, and premium steering wheel surround the driver with cutting-edge technology and comfort. Everything is placed exactly where you need it. The living area is open, bright, and incredibly inviting. Plush seating, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic windows create a relaxing atmosphere that makes every journey feel effortless. This space is designed for comfort. Whether you're driving or taking a break, the kitchen is modern and fully equipped for life on the road. High-end appliances, smart storage solutions, and premium finishes ensure convenience without compromise. It's a perfect blend of practicality and luxury. The bedroom delivers true hotel-level comfort. A spacious king-size bed, soft ambient lighting, and excellent sound insulation create the perfect environment for rest and relaxation. No matter where you park, comfort always comes first. Bathroom features a spa-inspired design with premium materials throughout. A modern shower system and clean, elegant layout make long journeys stress-free and comfortable. Luxury is present in every corner, out under the hood. Toyota's legendary reliability combined with MANSORY tuning delivers smooth, confident performance. Advanced suspension and safety systems ensure stability, control, and peace of mind on every road. This motorhome is built for those who demand the best. 2026 Toyota MANSORY Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's freedom, luxury, and the future of travel in one powerful package. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to Motor Flux AI, and we'll see you in the next futuristic ride.